Welcome students, this is class 2. I am ready again with your new general knowledge class, and today's topic will be fun time. Today is Saturday, so obviously we are going to do some fun, right? Yes. So first of all student, before starting with the topic, can you tell me what is recreation? Yes, fun is related mostly with recreation. And what is this recreation? I hope many of the students have gone through this term in your class 1. Still, I will define the word. Recreation is something which you love to do when you are free, right? It gives a new energy to your mind, it relaxes you, and it gives, most important thing is happiness. You will feel happy while doing that work. And that is the alternative thing which is called fun time. And fun time is nothing else the thing which you love to do when you are free, right? So let's see, here is page number 14 and 15 today we are going to do in your knowledge book. And let me read the question first for all of you. What do you do when you have free time? As I told you, you recreate yourself, you re-energize yourself, right? But how? From this list of fun activities, choose your favorite one and draw a smiley next to them. It's totally optional for you. It's your choice, students, that whether you will put the smiley before the points or not, because today is the day when you have to decide that what exactly you love to do. So I am reading the questions for you, and if you think that you love to do that activity, please put a smiley just beside that number and picture. Okay? So the first one is number 1. I write in my diary. Do you know what is this diary writing? Diary writing is something which usually many people have the habit to do it before going to bed at night. It's a very good habit, and why it is being done before going to bed at night? Because these people want to keep a record of the whole day what they have done, and after few months and after few years it becomes sweet memories, or sometimes it becomes sad memories which has been noted in the diary. When they go through it, it becomes a history for you that this was the day when I achieved this one, and that was the day when I lost that one. Okay, so it's a very good habit. If you have that habit, then please put a smiley before the picture where the one is given, a boy is writing a diary. Okay, now the second point, I play games with my friends in the park. Some students enjoy playing games in the park, or I can say outdoor games. They love to play outdoor games, and it is also a very good habit. It's a physical exercise and you must do it every day. If you like or don't like, you must play every day. That is also a time to relax your brain, to give some exercise to your body and brain. Okay, so if you like that, I think majority of the students like this, right? So you can put a smiley before this picture where children are playing outdoor, yes, in the park. Next comes, I read a book. Some of the students are very fond of books and they collect different types of books from the library. Why? Because they feel that they love to read, and this is also a very good habit. If you have this habit of reading books, usually before going to bed, before going to sleep, or when you are getting some time, free time, then you can put a smiley before this picture. Next comes, I chat with people in my family or friends. Some of the people are very fond of chatting with each other. They want to sit in a group and they want to interact with each other. That gives them some relaxation, that they feel that we are feeling relaxed. So this is also a habit of some people, and if the discussion is on something which gives you knowledge, is on current affairs, is on something healthy topic, then it's very fine, you can do it. Okay, so that is also good habit, but you should not do anything or you should not interact anything which makes someone hurt or sad. Okay, so here in this habit you are having two different sides. It can be positive also, it can be negative also. Number 5, I water the plants in the garden. Yes, some of the people love to do gardening and that gives them a different type of joy to take care of plants, to grow new plants, to give water to the plants. They feel that they are nurturing a life, that gives them something new pleasure. That is also a very good habit. If you like the same, then you can put a smiley over here. I draw and color pictures. Usually small kids love to do it. They love to do drawings, they love to draw and to color them, right? So I think majority of the students will put a smiley over here in this picture. Next comes, I play with my pet. If you have a pet, then you can play with them. It's also a very fun time. Many of them practice dance. They love to do dance and it gives them pleasure. I listen to music or sing songs. Some of the people who are having a very good voice, they love to sing song, and some of the people, those who are not having a very good voice like me, they love to listen music. Okay, so here also you can put a smiley if you are fond of music. I make things with blocks or play drafts. So you can play with blocks like building houses, building some engineering things, and maybe you are having the passion to make some sculptures with clay, right? Many of you are having. So if this is your passion, you can make a smiley here also in this picture. Next, I play with numbers and solve puzzles. This is a very good characteristics of a good mathematician, right? The person who loves to play with numbers, they are very sharp in mathematics. So if you are the one who loves to play with number, you can put a smiley before this picture. I pretend to be someone or an animal, and some of the students, they love to pretend like someone. Maybe it is your teacher, maybe it is like an animal. They love to do mimicry. So if you are enjoying doing that, you can put a smiley just over here. Okay. Now the next question, question number B, what else do you like to do? So if you have something different passion or different likings, if you are fond of some different hobbies, then you can list out them. Here the space has been provided to you. Now students, let us talk something about your ambition. Everyone wants to become something when they grow up, right? The most important thing is to become a very good human being. If you are not a good human being, you cannot do justice with any of your profession. Okay, because profession is something which helps you to earn your bread and butter. But a good human being, being a good human being is something which gives you honor, prestige and respect in the society. So first, we have to be a very good human being. Then after, we have to choose something which passionates us. And what is that? Here, you have been told that you have to circle some favorite professions which you want to be when you grow up. And what are these professions? One is dancer. You know who is dancer? You should understand that what are these professions and what these people do actually. So dancer, you know, the person who gives exact perfect and outstanding performances on stage. RJ is a radio jockey who with his only voice impresses the listeners to listen him. Okay, it's also an excellent talent. Sportsman, a person who plays very well. Therapist is one who is having a medical background, who gives some therapies on different section. It can be on body, it can be on speech, it can be on voice, it can be on education, okay, any type of therapies. Next is designer. Designer can be someone who is having lots of creativity and innovative ideas on garments, on wallpapers, on walls, okay. Geologist, one who do research on earth, planet. Artist, one who paints. Architect, one who designs building. Journalist, one who gathers information for media. Mechanic, one who does mechanism on machineries. Scientist, one who do research. Actor, one who plays. Yes, that you know very well. Acting, those who play some characters on screen. Computer analyst, one who makes program and executes programs on computer. TV anchor, one who speaks very well before the audience. Sportswomen, those who are girls and those who play, they are called sportswomen. Writer, one who writes very well. Vet, what is this vet? Vet is a veterinary doctor who treats animals, okay, animals doctor. Pilot, one who flies aeroplane. Accountants, one who takes care of your father's accounts, how much he earns and how much he spends. Librarian, one who takes care of the books in the school. Musician, one who composes music. Nurse, one who takes care of sick patient. Wildlife expert, who is this wildlife expert? Wildlife expert is one who does research on the wild animals in the jungle and their life is very tough. Photographers, who clicks very nice photographs. Mathematician, already I have clarified. Who is that? Manager, one who is very capable to manage everything. Chef, one who cooks very well. It is these people are appointed in restaurants and hotels. Lawyers, those who give justice, those who fight for justice. And psychologist, one who think about the imagination of a person. Carpenter, who makes furnitures. Jewelers, who works with gold, silver and gems. Singer, those who sing. Administrator, one who manages a total group to run an organization. Businessman or businesswoman, as you know, one who does business. Farmer, one who grows crops. Engineer, one who builds something. Teacher, one who teaches you. In front of you, one is standing. And graphic artist, one who does graphics on computer. They can design pages and something. Astronomers, those who do research on universe or celestial bodies. And botanist, one who does research on plants. So any of the profession what you want to become, I have clarified each of them. If you are passionate with them, circle them, and I will be meeting with you next Saturday. Thank you.